Welcome to week 4 of Old Testament Survey 1. We are reaching the halfway point at the end of this class. We will be halfway done with the class. I hope everyone is enjoying it and getting a lot out of it. I have graded up to all of last week's assignments. The assignments you turned in last week that were due, I haven't started grading yet. Hopefully I'll be able to finish all of them this week. It is a shorter week, so I can't guarantee I'll be able to get everything done. But please be looking at the feedback that I give you so that you can improve in future assignments. Be paying attention to the rubrics and the expectations so that everyone can meet those. I want to remind everyone this week, as last week and every week going forward, that your first post to the discussion board is going to be due by Wednesday so that we can have a longer discussion. I think it'll be more fruitful. I have posted a video right up there reviewing what we talked about last week. This week we're moving into Deuteronomy, the fifth book of the Bible, the fifth book of the Pentateuch. As you will notice as you're reading, it does read quite differently than the other books of the Pentateuch. Some scholars, they're wrong, but they say that some scholars would say that Deuteronomy doesn't belong with the Pentateuch. Well, they're wrong. It absolutely belongs with the Pentateuch, but it does look a little bit different. The discussion question this week is going to be talking about the so-called prosperity gospel and tying that into what's called Deuteronomistic theology, this idea that obedience brings blessing and disobedience brings curse. This is a very important theme of Deuteronomy, but we need to be nuanced in our understanding of it. And so be paying attention to your reading this week. And then, of course, I look forward to the discussion on that. Your assignment this week is to write about Deuteronomy's place in the text in the Bible. And what I'm looking for there is not just its place in the Pentateuch, but Deuteronomy also is seen as the standard, the ruler by which the historical books are judged. They're called the Deuteronomistic history, and while we don't necessarily accept the scholarly position that Deuteronomy should be separated from the Pentateuch and put at the beginning of the historical books as the Deuteronomistic history, we do recognize that the themes from Deuteronomy play an important role in how the writer or writers of the following historical books from Joshua all the way to the end of 2 Kings, it played a very important thematic role in how the author or authors approached the text and used it to judge. So that's what I'm going to be looking for this week, and be paying attention to your reading to the role that Deuteronomy plays, not only in the Pentateuch but in the following books.